Is your system sounding blurred, slow, not locking into place, not holographic? You don't need new equipment. Your system is already capable of doing much more. Here, I'm going to tell you how you can unlock the final few percent. Now, I know I'm slightly obsessive, but not about equipment. I'm obsessive about music. And when the timing is right, everything falls into place. What I want us to do is to find out and increase what's already there.
If your soundstage feels slightly unstable, if bass is powerful but difficult to follow, if vocals seem just a little vague, if the system sounds impressive but tiring, these are not expensive problems. They are setup problems, and there are solutions for all of them. Start with your listening position. Move your chair forward or backward by 20 to 30 centimeters, then play something familiar, and listen again. You're listening for tighter bass, clearer timing, easier flow. If you measure this in Room EQ Wizard, you will often see changes in the low frequencies, but more importantly, you will hear it immediately. This is the first example of something important. Small changes, real gains. Next, speaker distance. You want equal distance from each speaker to your ears, not roughly equal. You can use a tape measure, a laser, or, if you want to be absolutely accurate, a piece of string. It may feel slightly obsessive. I don't mind admitting I can be a bit obsessive about this, but it's really because I care about how the music feels. When this is right, the center image locks, the soundstage stabilizes, and everything feels more natural. Now, toe in. This is about balance. Too little, and things feel vague, too much, and it becomes forced. What you are aiming for, a clear center vocal, space around instruments, a sense of ease. You can measure parts of this, but your ears are still the best judge of coherence. You may also consider speaker height by tilting your speakers slightly. Some people get really good results from this. Now, this is where things get fascinating. Real rooms are never perfect. There are always reflections from the floor, the walls, the ceiling. I measured my own room recently using REW, and there were quite a lot of reflections, which might sound like a problem. But what mattered more was that many of those reflections were arriving in a fairly balanced way between the left and right channels. And that actually helped preserve a sense of stability and coherence. Most rooms look worse on a graph than they sound in practice. So rather than trying to eliminate reflections completely, the goal is to manage them. You can do that with speaker positioning, small changes in toe-in distance from walls, or something as simple as adding a rug. These are small adjustments, but they change how energy moves through the room. If you measure it, you will see changes. But more importantly, you will hear slightly clearer timing, more stable placement, easier listening. Now, subwoofer setup. This is one of the most effective areas to improve, but it needs care. You are balancing three things. First, crossover. It should blend with your speakers, not overlap too much and not leave a gap. Second, volume too high and bass becomes slow and obvious. Too low and you lose weight and presence. Third, position. Where the sub sits in the room matters enormously, and yes, there is always a balance between performance and living with it in a real room. You can measure this, if you want, using tools like REW, but in the end, you are listening for integration. You should not hear the sub, you should just hear a better system. There is a slightly scientific side to all of this. Room interactions, timing, phase, and tools can help you understand what is happening, but they are there to support your judgment, not replace it. Measurement shows you what is happening. Listening tells you whether it matters.
So yes, some of this may feel slightly obsessive, moving your chair, measuring with string, adjusting small details. But this is not about chasing perfection. It's about unlocking what you already have. Because with a bit of care, a bit of attention, almost every system can give you more. And when it does, you stop analysing it and you start feeling the music again. If you found this useful, there is more to come.